Hey everybody, this is Jared, and I want to give a little room tour of the Colorado Belle in Laughlin, Nevada. So if you are familiar with Laughlin, it's a small casino town in Vegas. There's 6 or 8 casinos along a little strip. It is not at all comparable to Vegas, so if that's what you're interested in, go to Vegas. It's a much more affordable place, much more low-key, a lot of old people, or people older than us. So here's a quick room tour. Colorado Belle. It's a very inexpensive place to stay, so it's not going to be the best, but I think it's just fine for the money. I don't remember what I paid. They even have a resort fee now. I think that started sometime in 2019 or 2018. I don't know when. It started recently, but even with the resort fee, we did this actually, believe it or not, on a Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday or something. We're staying in January actually of 2020, but when I bought it, I think it was like $20 a night or something, and that's including the resort fee, around there, give or take. But it's an affordable place, but the prices fluctuate. Anyways, here's the quick room tour. I'm not going to point out every little flaw. I've seen a lot of videos that do that. If you want to see flaws, there's flaws, believe me. It's a $20 a night place to stay. There's, paint problems and some water damage there, but anyways, I'll just give you the quick tour. There's a shower. It's on the 5th floor of the New Orleans Tower. There's Levi. You got a nice vanity, big space there, so that's nice to set all your stuff out. We just got here, so we haven't put everything out. You get the typical shampoo, conditioner, lotion, bar of soap, a couple of plastic cups, an ice bucket, Keurig coffee machine with some other brand of coffee here. So we'll try some morning blend tomorrow. A couple water bottles. I don't know if those are free or not. Hair dryer. Something of note for us, since you saw we have little ones. I like this. Some hotels have a similar lock that you lock this one right here. Well, my kids can open that. Hopefully they won't do that one yet. So that's nice for us. Typical stuff. I just showed them to mess with the door. Those are our bowls, but you've got this little space here, some hangers, that thing to put your suitcase on, ironing board and iron, and then we got 2 queen beds. We got a parking lot view. It's the most affordable option you can get. So it looks like you got a little clock, radio, lamp, phone, nightstand, and there's your Bible and a phone book. Nice to see a phone book. That's a rarity. Some pen and paper. I think the carpet and stuff has been renovated. I don't know when, but it's not extremely old. Like I've actually stayed here before, and it was older. TV. You just got this is not the nicest dresser, but you can put your stuff in it for a couple days. I got some missing knobs down there, but whatever. It's $20 a night. Got a little table with 2 chairs, your window unit, and the view of the parking lot. And I guess that's nice. You can see the riverboat and the little water area. Like I said, there's flaws. There's some paint chipping and such, but it seems clean relatively. There's Christy.
Hi.
There's the boys. The little pro tip here, I always ask them when I check in to disable anything you could purchase via the phone or TV. And that's why right there. I can still call 911, which he has done before. So that's it for the room tour. I will say it has, like I said, it has been updated. I don't know when, and obviously not completely. Maybe they did the carpet and didn't do the paint, or maybe they did the paint and people have just damaged it more. Furniture's not new. But again, I'm overall not regretting it. So there's the Colorado Belle, and please feel free. Oh, I got to give you my commercial. Please go to my wife's website. There she is. She's a Cincy consultant, and I'll put the link in the description. Check out the website, which I maintain. I'm the webmaster, and if you go to the website and visit it, it helps us rank with Google. So please do that for me and for Christy. If you want to buy something, that's wonderful, but I just appreciate it if you go to the website. Spend 1 minute on it. If you spend just 5 seconds, that actually hurts us, so I'd rather you not do anything. But if you can go there and just leave it open for a minute, I don't even care if you look at it. If you click a link or two, that's even better. And if you buy something, that's best of all. But All I'm asking you is to go there. And then all that other YouTube stuff, like the video, subscribe, comment below if you have any comments. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm Jared. This is the Colorado Belle in Laughlin, Nevada.